Hello all, welcome to TechnoStack. In the section of working with Python, our today's question is, write a NumPy program to create a 3x3 matrix with values ranging from 2 to 10. So we have to create a 3x3 matrix which starts from 2 and ends with 10. So let's get started. First we import NumPy library as NP. Then we take a variable x which will store the value of which will store the entire matrix. So what we'll do is we take np dot arrange and then we take starting index and ending index plus 1, so 11. We want from 2 to 10, so we'll take 2 to 11. Then we take reshape. Reshape is used for creating the matrix and if we want to arrange it in the form of matrix. So in what form we want in 3x3 matrix, so we take dot reshape 3, 3. Then we just have to print it, so we just print x. So this is done. What we did is we imported NumPy, then we arranged 2 to 10. We arranged these elements from 2 to 10 in a 3x3 matrix. Let's check the output. You can see in the console window here, you can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just like the expected output which we were asked to get. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to TechnoStack. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.